So I did it. Didn't come out as good as I thought it would be. I cooked it and then it stuck. And then I was like, oh no, I forgot the oil. So it didn't come out as good as I thought it would be. And even when I flipped it, it fell on the floor. It fell and it was like right there on the floor. I'm not eating this at all. It's weird. And then the pan, I didn't put as much oil as I would like, so it didn't turn out as good. And you can see that's the result. And I added a bunch of stuff to it too, so you know. And I also I baked it as well, so it's good. It's not good, yeah. But actually, there's no but. It's terrible. Bad luck for the rest of the year. Happy Candlemas.